Ditching your expensive phone bill for incredible savings is easier than you think with Mint Mobile. First things first, head to mintmobile.com on your computer or phone. Once there, you'll be greeted by the website offering plan options. Now, it's time to choose your Mint Mobile plan. They offer a variety of plans with different data amounts. Consider how much data you typically use each month to make an informed choice. Are you a light user, a moderate user, or a data guzzler? Select the plan that best suits your needs and your budget. With your plan selected, you'll see options for SIM card delivery. You can choose between either ordering a physical SIM card to insert into your phone, or if your phone is compatible, you can choose to activate using an eSIM. The website will guide you through your phone's compatibility with eSIM. If you select a physical SIM, you'll need to verify they can ship the SIM card to your location. If the SIM card is a good selection, then click Buy, and it's on to the next step. Now, it's checkout time. Enter your shipping, billing information, and create your account. Be sure to look out for any ongoing promotions or special offers. They'll help you save even more. After completing your order, you will see the order confirmation page. You'll receive an email confirming your purchase and providing tracking information. This is where you'll track your SIM card or activation process. Once your SIM card arrives, it's a simple process of inserting it into your unlocked phone or following the steps to activate the eSIM. The instructions can be found on the Mint Mobile website. And that's it. You're now part of the Mint Mobile family. Enjoy incredible service at amazing prices. We hope this video helped you order Mint Mobile. Thanks for watching, and be sure to visit the provided links for more information.